Hi guys, so I'm here at my open house today, and a lot of people want to know what happens at an open house. Why is the agent there? Why is the seller letting somebody come through their house to see? So today I'm going to take some time and show you guys around and pretty much clarify some expectations about going and visiting open houses on your home search. Stay tuned for more. So an agent's going to want to go ahead and point out some of the cool features about the house, the good and the bad and the ugly for you while you're at the open house, if they have time. So upstairs we have the washer and dryer, which is a bonus for a lot of people. So more than likely I'll go ahead and highlight that at the open. An agent is also going to take you around the house and show you the appliances, talk to you about the AC, the year of the roof, and any kind of plumbing or other deficiencies. So you'll know and you'll be able to make a good decision. So there you have it, guys. That's what goes down at an open house. And the agent is really just there to help educate the public about that property. So if you know anybody who's interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, it does not have to be South Florida. I can definitely assist you as I have national referral partners. But my information is on the next slide. You can follow me on any of my social medias, and I would be more than willing to answer any questions that you have about real estate. Bye, enjoy.